styles, Filipino style spaghetti sauce. And this is different. I use the minced meat beef. I will try beef this time because usually I use the pork. So today I will cook spaghetti with onion, white onion. I fry the white onion first, and then I put the minced meat. And then the next, when this one is cooked already, I will put the squid ball. Here, then I will add some more so that it will become a little bit saucy. Mix, mix, mix. If you like, you can put cheese so that it will become creamier. Then when it's boiling, I will put these ingredients. It's boiling already. And then we can put this ham. And then mix. Wow, it's yummy. Then you can put the ground pepper, white pepper. It's boiling already. And then I will put squid ball. I slice also into small cubes. Oh, yummy. I add a cup of water because it's very dry. Add a little bit of water and stir. And now it is cooked already. So I'll put the spaghetti in this sauce. And because of today is February 6th, it's my mother's birthday in heaven, so I was thinking to make a sweet food for us also and offer a short prayer for her. So all of us are celebrating, and because I'm far from my family, so I think that I will cook a simple dish for her birthday in heaven, and I'll share with my friends here. Okay, yummy. This is simple dish though. I just make it and think what is available here in the house, so I decided to cook a simple spaghetti because I have already spaghetti sauce, so I just make it. This one is a ham and then squid balls. So that's it. This is for our lunch. This is the favorite of my SG girl, spaghetti. So I was also thinking, okay, I will cook for you tomorrow because it's my mother's birthday in heaven. And then she screamed, "Ay, thank you, Auntie, thank you." That is the good thing here, that they appreciated what I cook. So this is a new, I just experiment. I used different ingredients here. I use beef, so it's okay. It's time, cook, you try. Then you can put the toppings, cheese, grated cheese. Oh, that's it.